Hello, my friends. Welcome to episode 11 of HTML course. Welcome to your own channel. I just forgot to say that. Okay, today we're going to talk about HTML lists. HTML lists allow web developers to group a set of related items in lists. It's so simple, guys. First, we should know unordered HTML list. An unordered list starts with the UL tag, and each list item starts with the li tag. Okay, and for example, coffee. Coffee. Okay, no singing. This is HTML course. Oh, wake up. Okay, tea. I'm hungry. No, I'm thirsty. And milk. Okay. This is unordered HTML lists, and this list item will be marked with bullets, small black circles by default. Let's see the result. Okay, this is our live server, coffee, tea, milk, and this is small black bullets, and okay, this is our unordered list. What about ordered list? It's OL tag, and an ordered list starts with the OL tag. Each list item starts with the LI tag. We know we use LI to have a list item, but we can put LI in UL or OL. And UL is unordered, and OL is ordered list tag. And the list item will be marked with numbers by default. Okay, so for example, coffee. Okay, I'm gonna just paste these. Oh, oops, I got it. Okay, here you go. It's an ordered list and it's ordered list. What about the HTML description lists? Nobody will tell this to you. HTML also supports description lists. A description list is a list of terms with a description of each term. It's so fantastic. The DL tag defines the description list, and the DT tag defines the term, the name, and the DD tag describe each of them. Let me give examples to you. Okay, DL tag as a main tag that defines the description list. Okay, DT inside it, for example, coffee. Okay, then DD. Okay, in DD we should describe each term. For example, black hot drink. I love coffee. And another DT. What happened? Another DT. For example, milk. And we use DD to describe this item. White, cold drink, opposite of coffee. Okay, let's see the result. You can see coffee, black hot drink, milk, white, cold drink. It's fantastic, yeah? Okay, that's enough for lists in HTML. No, I'm sorry. This is another tip about lists. We can use a style attribute to choose list item marker. For example, list style type property is used to define the style of the list item marker, and it can have one of these values. For example, disk, circle, square, 9, and okay, let's try it. It's used for unordered list. Okay, only for unordered list. Let's give the style attribute. Okay, list style property. list start type. I'm sorry, okay? For example, disk. Disk is sets the list item marker to a bullet. It's default. Okay, this is disk. Okay, but let's change disk. Let's change it to circle. It sets the list item marker to a circle. Okay, what's the difference? You can see the difference. It's white circle. I don't know. What about a square? Okay, this is a square. And what about none? It's perfect, yeah? Okay, we don't have any marks for our list. And that's all. We can use several LIs and nested HTML list. For example, let's have a UL inside this LI. For example, LIT. Okay, this is my LI. I'm gonna add a UL here, and inside it LI, for example, black tea and green. Oops, black tea and green tea. Okay, 2 types of tea. LI green tea. Let's see the result. You see, we just used a list inside another list. It's so interesting, yeah? And yeah, I'm sure this is all about the lists. We can change them and learn more about them in HTML. And have a nice day for today. That's enough. See you later. Please subscribe and ask your questions in comments and dig in more about the lists, and let me know if you know something more. Bye.